Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to see who has viewed your Snapchat story. Now this is a great feature if you want to see who has viewed your Snapchat story after you posted it. Those can be your friends or somebody who found your story randomly. So basically this is how you do it. First you open up Snapchat and then you need to take a picture or use a picture from your photos and then add that to your story. Click on the button plus story and then now it's added to your story. If you want to check out the story you made, you need to click on your profile on the top left, scroll down a bit, and then under public profiles you can see my picture 17 seconds ago. And once somebody watches it, this number will change. If you see the eye icon and the 0, that number will change as somebody views it. If you want to delete your story, just go back to it, click on the top right and then delete snap. And of course, once you are here at the bottom left, you can see your views. The second one is how many people forwarded it to somebody else. And the last one is the chats. Somebody who basically messaged you after they viewed your story. And that's basically it. That's how you know how much and who has viewed your story on Snapchat. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.